Hello. So today we'll discuss about ketogenesis. This is an important essay question. So what we'll discuss is the introduction, ketogenesis, and the applied aspect. So what is ketogenesis first of all? It is the synthesis of ketone bodies. Remember the word genesis, which means synthesis, okay, or formation. In the mitochondria it happens. Those are acetone, acetoacetate, and beta hydroxybutyrate. Let's see the process. So two molecules of acetyl-CoA combine by acetoacetyl-CoA synthase. CoASH is released out. Thiolase enzyme also can be written. We'll get acetoacetyl-CoA. Then on HMG-CoA synthase, acetyl-CoA to CoASH, we'll get HMG-CoA, that is beta hydroxy beta methyl glutaryl CoA. Then on dehydrogenase or HMG-CoA dehydrogenase, we will get acetoacetate and acetyl-CoA. So acetyl-CoA is regenerated. Now, acetoacetate on decarboxylation acetone on beta hydroxybutyrate dehydrogenase reversibly, NAD plus NADH2 reversibly, will get beta hydroxybutyrate. Now, what is the regulation? We have inhibitors and promoters. Inhibitors are insulin, increased insulin by glucagon, and glycogenic amino acids. Okay. And what are the promoters? Increased acetyl-CoA, glucagon, increased free fatty acid breakdown, and ketogenic amino acids. Now please pause the video and write down what are the glycogenic and ketogenic amino acids. Let me know your answers in the comment section. Now, how are ketone bodies traveling in the body? It won't go directly, right? There is some mechanism. We'll see that. So first in the liver, acetyl-CoA is formed by fatty acids, amino acids, and glucose. Glucose in the sense glycolysis, fatty acids beta oxidation, amino acids our ketogenic amino acids. Now it enters the Krebs cycle to generate 2CO2 and this forms ketone bodies by process ketogenesis. Now ketone bodies enter the blood and in the blood from there it will go into the urine as ketonuria and it will excrete through the lungs as acetone, which has a sweet fruity smell. This is called as Kussmaul's breathing. Please remember this name, Kussmaul's breathing, that is acetone breath. Now ketone bodies will give rise to acetyl-CoA because it's reversible process, and free fatty acids will enter the bloodstream going to the extrahepatic tissues like the muscle. In the muscle, the same thing as I discussed in the liver, that is what will happen. And applied aspect, to finish off, we have ketosis and decay. So ketosis is a combination of ketonemia and ketonuria. Remember, emia is blood, urea is urine. So the normal serum ketone bodies is less than 1 milligrams per day. In the blood it becomes 100 and 5 times of that in the urine. And it may be non-pathologic during exercise. Lastly, we have DKA, diabetic ketoacidosis. This is very important. Case history will come based on this mostly. Okay, along with Kussmaul's breathing, totally will get one case. Okay, so DKA is nothing but the elevated levels of acetoacetate and beta hydroxybutyrate in the blood. This is increasing the pH and the H plus are also released out. Okay, and mind you, acetone is not involved. Why? Because of gaseous nature. See here, gaseous nature. So it may lead to coma if not treated and finally death. And remember, this is nothing to do with starvation, but it is treated using insulin. Okay. And the references from where I took these images. Go and refer Satyanarayana 3rd edition Biochemistry and Vasudevan 6th edition. So that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.